Today's recipe is all about apple crisp. Before you start, you have 1 kg of apples, 110 g of oats, brown sugar, flour, lemon juice plus the zest, vanilla extract, corn flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and butter. I decided to pair it to the peanut go slow ice cream. We start with the crisp topping. So you sift the flour, add the oats. For me, I use regular oats. You can use rolled oats, which is preferred. Then you add in the brown sugar and salt. It's very important that you add salt to it. Mix it all together till it forms a homogeneous mixture. Then add melted butter. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then mix it all together till it forms a shaggy dough. Alternatively, you can decide to not melt the butter and rub it in, but I was being lazy. Then it's time to peel the apples. Honestly, this was so long to do, but I like the fact that you could use the apple skin for apple chips or something. So cut it into half, make sure you core it, and then slice it evenly. The reason why you slice it evenly is to ensure that it all cooks at the same time. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, then mix it all together. All of a sudden, I just like the smell that was all over the kitchen. Add the sugar, then the cinnamon, then you grate your nutmeg on my wonderful little grater. Add your vanilla extract, and then the corn flour. Honestly, the kitchen smells amazing even before I put it in the oven. So add half of the mixture into your pan, cube a quarter butter, frozen butter, cube it and put it in between the apple mixture. Add the rest of the apple on top of it, and there you have it. Now add the crisp on top of it. Cover every inch of it. Make sure that most of the surface of the apple is covered with the crisp. Bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes, and there you have it. The kitchen at this point smelled amazing, and then I topped it with the ice cream, and yes, we have to take pictures for the gram. Voila! This is the apple crisp with peanut ice cream, and just look at that steam. Mwah!